And back again. Now you can see from here to here that it was easily installable to go through that, at least maybe through the vent right here. Didn't have to drill through anything. I didn't care. But they could have at least installed it through the garage. You can see there's ample, nothing's enclosed, nothing's blocking anybody to get at the attic. And there, like everybody else installed it, they could have gone through that way, but it was sheer laziness that prevented this technician from installing it properly. I had more than enough room in the attic, nothing blocking. There was nothing blocking a professional installment. Okay. More than enough room, more than enough clearance, no blockage whatsoever. And that just about is enough of videoing, because we really don't want to pull too much drama into this place. And I'll show you the last area for where he could have just come on in and done a very neat install. Corner is cleared right there. He could have gone all the way, and again, all the way down that way. So, what do I give the charter on points? 1 to 10? One big fat 0. They made my house look ugly, and they did a lazy job installation. And the first day of service, total failure. Okay, enough's enough.